Need to turn off live photos permanently on iPhone camera? Then you're on the right video. I'll show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn off live photo permanently. First thing first, move into your application camera. Once it has been opened, it will land you on this home page. Simply move into Photos. At the top right corner, you will see this icon. All you gotta do is click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you will be able to see that the live photo has been turned off. Now, even if you try clicking any of the picture from your camera, you will be able to see that the live photo has been turned off. If not, you can head over to your settings and then move into camera. In this page, if you see the option of live photo, then simply toggle it off. It will turn off the live photo from your camera and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can turn off live photos permanently on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.